This is REALME V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. So at the start, you will need to select the language you would like to have your system and consequentially the whole phone in. Next, select the region that you reside in, then read all those legal agreements, terms of use, and so on. Now you can insert a SIM card into your device, or you can skip this step. It's not mandatory. You will be able to set up your SIM card at any given point later down the line. Now you can get back one step. Here you can set this phone up using another device, perhaps your previous phone, Android or iOS, or you can skip the step and set the device up as a brand new device. Here, connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, so I'll quickly input the Wi-Fi credentials, or the Wi-Fi password rather, of camera here. Now wait until your phone is ready to continue the setup. As you can see, this may take a few minutes, so let's wait, I guess. So here you can copy your apps and data that you could have backed up to your Google account, or you can avoid copying them. That is entirely up to you. Once again, we'll wait for the setup to check its information. Now you can also sign into your Google account, or you can simply skip this step for now and do it later, since you will have to do it anyway to take full advantage of your device. Now select the default browser that you would like to use, as well as search engine. Now you can set up the screen lock, or you can skip this step and do that later. Review additional apps. I will uncheck all of them. Once again, let's wait. Here you can enable or disable the REALME services, such as personalized search, wallpaper carousel, automatic updates, and so on. So enable the services you want to and switch off the ones that you would rather avoid using. Now select the screen zoom scale between default, medium, and large. I'll go with medium, for example. Now select the system navigation method between buttons and gestures. Press done button, and the setup is finished. We can pretty much start using the device. The only last pesky step is to close this absolutely horrible bloatware setup assistant. So simply exit this app and begin using the device. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.